Hello friends, in this video we will see uh, poles and zeros, and you can say omega UGB, omega 3 dB for basic topologies like common source, common drain, common gate, cascode, amplifier. So for these topology we will find out these things. Okay, so first one is common source topology. So let's consider this. So this is Vi, say this is at output, there is a cap C, this is Vo, this is VDD, this is ground. So here R out is RO of this MOSFET, because ideal current source having infinite resistance, so RO parallel infinite resistance will RO. So DC gain will be minus GM RO. Now omega 3 dB or pole, dominant pole, equals to minus 1 by R out C, because at output we are seeing, so it will be it will come as a RO C. Now omega UGB, so from gain bandwidth product formula, it will be ADC into omega 3 dB. It will be GMRO into 1 by RO C. So omega UGB will GM by C. So this is our omega UGB frequency, and so if we plot its body plot, so it will be something like this. So this is omega P, which is 1 by ROC, and this is omega UGB, which is equals to GM by C. This is omega axis, this is DC gain, GMRO. Okay, so here this minus sign is for inversion. For example, if you are giving input this, then output is inverted like this. Okay, so yeah, now let's see zero in this. So again I am drawing common source stage. Okay, so this is Vi, this is Vo, this is VDD. Now usually there is some parasitic cap CGD, okay, is there. So we are taking this cap, or if you are adding cap between gate and drain, input and output, you can represent some CC or something like that, or C1 C2. Here I am taking CGD between gate and drain. So now for 0, output will go to 0. Here input, this current is GMVI, from here to here current will be Vi, output is 0. So S, whatever resistance between Vi and V out, CGD. So this is current from input. So if we apply KCL, we will get Vi SCGD. This is going away current, so equals to 0. So SZ equals to GM by CGD. So here this is right hand plane 0. Now CGD cap usually very less, so this is far away from UGB, we can say, because output cap C greater than CGD, then omega Z is at UGB, so it is very much far away than UGB. Now let's go with second topology, common drain or source follower topology. So this is Vi and this is current source, this is C, this is Vo. Now gain here is approximately 1, and we have already find out ADC gain, DC gain. Now output resistance here will be 1 by Gm, because here if we looking into source, resistance is 1 by Gm, and if we are looking into ideal constant, it is infinite, and two parallel resistance, one is 1 by Gm and other is infinite, so 1 by Gm will be R out. So R out equals to 1 by Gm. Now omega 3 dB or omega p pole frequency equals to when we are considering frequency, it is this will not come here. When we are writing in form of S plane like SP or SZ, then it will be minus or plus. So 1 by Gm into C equals to Gm by C. So this is omega 3 dB, and omega UGB equals to ADC into omega 3 dB. So ADC is 1, so Gm by C is this pole, this frequency. So if we draw Bode plot, so here say this is 0 dB line, and this is 0 dB line, and it will be like this. So UGB and omega pole is Gm by C. Okay, this is omega. Now let's find out 0 in this. So this is Vi, so there is some cap CGS, or if you want to add some cap, you can add that cap C. So here C is much greater than CGS, so we can ignore this, and no need to ignore, say it is there, and for VO we will make it ground equals to 0. Now here current is GMVI, from here current is VI SCGS. Now at output, if we apply KCL, VISCGS plus GMVI equals to 0. So SZ equals to minus GMCGS. So this is left hand plane 0. Okay. So now how phase plot will change. Suppose we are having this gap. Okay, now what will happen at very high frequency, this full Vi goes to output. Initially say here phase shift will come like 90 degree because of pole. So 0 to 90 degree. And this is minus 45 minus 90. Now suppose this 0 occurs somewhere at high frequency omega z. Now what will happen? This is left hand, so phase plot again at this point, phase plot again starting going high, and it will be 0. This happens because this CGS gets shorted. This CGS gets shorted at high frequency, and whole Vi goes to this point. So again this will full transfer here actually. So without any phase, but yes, V out is ratio of CGS and